Hi mga ka-UVG, kamusta kayo dyan? So ako ulit, tingnan natin kung anong energy update. Gusto ko lang po pala magpasalamat sa mga new subscriber at sa mga returning subscriber natin dyan. Sa mga nag-comment po, nag-like, thank you so much po. Highly appreciated po. So bilang pasasalamat, tingnan natin kung anong energy update ang gaganapan sa ating mga ka-UVG collective. So let's see, sa mga makaka-resonate, thank you po in advance. Sa mga hindi po makaka-resonate, better luck next time po, okay? So let's see. Wala po tayong gender sa energy, by the way. At saka maring naganap na, magaganap pa lang, or kasalukuyang nagaganap, Virgo. So tingnan natin. Energy update for my UVG collective. Please. Meron kang the justice at saka the two of wands. Okay. Ay, sobrang dami. Two of sword at saka the star upright. Bottom of the deck is the knight of swords. So tingnan natin. Tingnan natin, okay. Regarding sa apat na card, first card is justice card. Merong nakakaalam ng katotohanan dito. So kailangan ng desisyon. Nakikita niya na or nakikita mo na ang katotohanan ng sitwasyon dito or ang posibilidad na maging outcome ng sitwasyon. Okay. Pero still hoping pa rin. Okay. Ang justice card kasi is all about law, truthfulness, fairness. Sa apat na combination na to, someone knows the truth. Very intuitive as well. You are ready, Virgo. Someone is ready. Pero at the same time, para bagang merong kang in the back of your mind, napapaisip ka if ang situation is reciprocated. Meaning, kumbaga, yung expectation mo. Okay. Either ikaw to or person na connected sa'yo. Someone seeing the bigger picture. May kailangang decision making dito. Maybe 22 is significant. Okay, so ika-clarify ko each card. Ang overall na breakdown ko dito sa 4 cards is merong nag-i-expect dito. Hoping na ito yung sitwasyon na ang purpose, kasi may purpose akong naririnig eh. Kumbaga meron kang iniisip na anong magiging benefits mo or this person. Okay. Pero this person alam niya kung ano yung gusto niya. At the same time, nagdadalawang isip or meron siyang kailangan pagdesisyonan when it comes to the situation. Pero hoping na mag-workout. Bakit ko nasabing mag-workout? Okay, kasi ang positive niya dito with the justice card eh. One foot in, one foot out, na visualize niya na kung anong magiging outcome. Napaka-advance ng isip nito. Okay. Together with the Knight of Swords, meron ditong communication, fast communication, Virgo. Expect some communication regarding sa katotohanan kung ano ang gustong mangyari ng person na to sa sitwasyon, either career or love or family. Merong someone coming towards you to tell you the truth, or either way, ikaw meron kang gustong sabihin, and at the same time ang taas ng expectation dito sa sitwasyon eh. Clarify ko each card, pero parang feeling ko hindi lang ikaw ang magde-decide, meron din kailangan na maging desisyon yung kabila. Okay. So, hindi ko alam kung anong department sa'yo to, basta merong someone or merong opportunity or merong para sabihin sa'yo ang katotohanan na this and that and that and this. So, the expectation is very high. Star card ulit. So, let's see. Tingnan natin. Clarify the Justice card. Parang feeling ko merong magko-communicate sa'yo kung ano yung nararamdaman nila sa sitwasyon. Okay. Or maybe ikaw to. Ikaw ang magko-communicate kung ano yung nakikita mo sa magiging outcome ng sitwasyon in the future. Okay. Pero kailangan ng decision making dito at saka patience. Okay. Both sides, I guess. Both sides, so hindi lang ikaw. Okay. Clarify the Justice card for my UVG collective, please. What is the Justice card? Sa mga hindi po makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. Okay. Sa mga makaka-resonate, thank you po in advance. Stay connected po tayo. Highly appreciated po. Thank you. So, let's see. Seven of Swords at saka the Sun Guard. Interesting. Hindi ko alam, Virgo, kung mayroon kang strategy dito when it comes to choosing your happiness. Okay. What else? Tell me more about the Justice card. 6 of Swords to the 7 of Swords. So, merong gustong umiska po dito eh. 5 of Pentacles. Leaving the situation behind in order for the another person to go after their own happiness. Okay. Para bagang yung tipong tatakas ka para lang mag-disco. And someone here is really feeling left behind. Hindi ko alam kung sino to, Virgo. Pero palagay ko you are deceiving yourself here eh. Oh, Queen of Wands. Gagawin mo talaga. Or maybe tong person na to. Someone here. Tell me more. happiness ang visualization ng person na to or maybe ikaw. Para bang merong mentality na kahit naman minsan lang isang beses na lang, last na to. Ay, we'll see. The Death card, transformation, Scorpio energy, Two of Wands to the Three of Swords. So, anong ganap, Virgo? Meron kang nabivisualize mo at the same time may hinihintay ka. Big transformation, kaya merong decision making dito, reconciliation. Eto tayo. Ang sa nakikita at nararamdaman ko dito, Virgo, merong dalawang sitwasyon. Okay, na naka-tied up ang another person. Hindi ko alam kung sino yung person na kinakausap ko dito, pero merong someone dito na tied up sa dalawang sitwasyon. Kaya matitrigger ang person na to na mag-sneak out in order to go after this person's happiness. Okay? Kasi nabivisualize niya tapos naghihintay lang siya. Pero hindi ko alam strategically kung anong gusto niyang gawin. Pero gagawin niya with the Queen of Wands. Queen of Wands is a go-getter card. Okay. But with the Justice card, mataas ang expectation dito dalawa kanina yung Star card Star card is hoping, wishing, okay, healing. Okay. So sa Justice card, merong gustong patunayan dito. Or nakikita na ng person na to or kung sino man yung tinutukoy ko kung ano ang magiging result ng sitwasyon. Very risky. Kasi magdadala to ng ito once na mag-decision kung sino man ang person na kinakausap ko, I think both sides, once na mag-decision, mag-take place ang decision making dito, okay, there's no turning back with the Death card. Kung ano yung, depende kung kaya mong i-balance things out with the Six of Swords. This is my peace of mind card, moving into calmer water. Kung kaya mo i-maneuver, which nandito naman yung Queen of Wands, wala po tayong gender sa energy. Ang Queen of Wands po kasi is a go-getter card. Pero alalahanin po natin, meron tayong Five of Pentacles. So sa Five of Pentacles, meron ka talagang maa-abandon ng sitwasyon. Hindi pwedeng wala. Kasi nasa crossroad kung sino man tong person na to. Kailangan niyang abandonahin yung isang sitwasyon in order na para maramdaman niya kung ano yung nasa kabila. Gets mo? Hindi ko alam kung paano mag-a-apply to. It can apply also sa trabaho, career. Maaari meron kang trabaho ngayon na stable pero yung curiosity mo doon sa kabilang company or sa kabilang trabaho is parang na-curious ka ng sobra. So, you need to sneak out a little bit. Okay. Pero once na makita mo or masilayan mo kung ano yung nasa kabila, I think magkakaroon ka ng idea na this is it. Okay. Pero merong mafe-feeling abandon dito, Virgo. So, choose your path wisely, Virgo. Three of Cups, meron reconciliation dito about person from the past. But I think makikita mo yung katotohanan once na magawa mo to in a very smooth way. Okay. So, tingnan natin. Death card is a very big transformation card. Meron ka lang hinihintay or itong person na to, meron lang siyang hinihintay. Or baka ikaw ang hinihintay or ikaw ang naghihintay. Someone is waiting. Expect some good news here, Virgo. Communication, inspiration, idea, discovery. Okay. New discovery yata to para sa'yo, Virgo. Curiosity din ng grabe at saka lakas ng expectation. At the same time, kailangan ng decision making. So, let's see. Clarify the Two of Wands. Clarify the Two of Wands. Kung kaya ng person na to pagsabayin yung sitwasyon, why not? Diba? Virgo is very analytical, so very detail-oriented. So, kung merong maa-abandon na dito, i-make sure mong at the end of the day, nandun ka pa rin. Kind of energy. Parang sabi ko nga kanina, para bang yung tatakas, yung lakas ng takas dito kasi yung expectation mo, pag nag-disco ka, ano lang, analogy lang to yung feeling ba, na excitement, yung happiness. Okay. Siyempre, may maghahanap sa'yo. May makaka-discover na saan na naman kaya pumunta, tumakas na naman. With the Five of Pentacles, feeling abandoned, feeling left out. Okay. But at the same time, with the Queen of Wands, magaling ang Queen of Wands At saka with the Justice card, this is fair, about fairness. Okay. Maybe hindi lang nila maiintindihan at the first, sa una, pero at the end of the day, I think you will be there pa rin kung sino man tong. Kasi parang uuwi ka din naman kahit naman na umaga ka nang umuwi, at least umuwi ka, yung parang ganun ba? Na energy. I don't know, Virgo, kung saan mag-resonate yan, either career, family, or relationship. Masasabi ko na rin cheating to Okay, kasi may 7 of Swords ka. 7 of Swords, 6 of Swords to the 7 of Swords. Kailangan mo lang kapain kung totoo nga bang yung bar na yun is nagsaserve ng free drinks. Yung curiosity ng person, hindi ko alam kung sino kinakausap ko dito, pero yung curiosity is to the max. Na umabot sa extent na kailangan mo talagang mag-over the bakod kind of energy sa first row. Communication. Okay. So, may mag-open up dito regarding sa katotohanan ng sitwasyon, and expectation is high. Baka kung sino to para sa iyo na tara na, ready ka na, kind of energy, ready na ako. Tayo lang dalawa. Sugurin na natin ang universe. Tingnan natin kung totoo nga ba yung Big Bang Theory kind of energy. Analogy ko lang po yan, pero so let's see. Clarify the Two of Wands, planning. Ito pa. King of Swords. Wow, very analytical as I said kanina. Smart mover. Very strategic. Okay. No BS. Clean cut. Okay. So, what else? Ops, confirmation, no BS. So, expect some communication, transparency dito, Virgo. Okay, so itong energy update ng ating mga ka-UVG dyan. So, let's see. Sa mga hindi mo makaka-resonate, better lang next time po. Okay, sa mga makaka-resonate, thank you po in advance. Highly appreciated po. So, meron tayong couple card, which is the King of Wands and the Queen of Wands. So, both sides are very analytical. Both sides is strategically planado. Okay, kaya lang merong waiting. This is all about a new beginning, Virgo, with the Page of Wands. Or maybe it's just a good news na yung kailangan, meron lang kayong kailangan i-discover, which is the sun card is the happiest card. Ang focus dito, ang goal dito is happiness. Okay, regardless ng mga lumalabas or nagpa-pop out dito. Itong mga nagpa-pop out dito is ito yung mga possibility na maging sitwasyon na kailangan mong umabot sa punto na mag-over the bakod para lang makita kung meron talagang free drinks na sorry lang, pero meron tayong couple card, meaning may nag-ooperate dito regarding, may nag-ooperate passionately. Both are very passionate. Both of you are same mentality, same goal. Yung frequency nyo talagang nagmamatch. Okay. Hindi ko alam kung sinong kinakausap ko, pero parang masasabi ko ng both. As I said kanina sa unang reading, hindi ka nag-iisa. Itong person na to, kaya ka niyang sabayan, or ikaw kaya mo siyang sabayan. Okay, so let's see. What else? At saka very analytical. Both of you are very analytical, very bright, very wise. King and Queens ang pinag-uusapan natin dito. Isa lang yung page dito. Okay. So, let's see. Pero big transformation. Siguro pag na-prove nyo na talagang unlimited free drinks, meron bang ganun? Pag na-discover nyo, ang transformation dito is wow. Parang ayaw. Uwi pa ba tayo? Bukas na tayo umuwi. Hey, tingnan natin. Two of Wands. Clarify the Two of Wands. May nakaka-visualize na dito ng situation kung ano yung magiging outcome. Kaya lang, star card ulit. Lakas ng expectation dito regarding sa sitwasyon. The Emperor card, boss energy. Both of you are carrying. Both of you are very passionate, very on your... Nasa drive seat kayo pareho. Parehas kayong may will. Pero ang location nyo is iisa. So, wow. Okay. Both of you are boss energy, very dominant energy. You know what you want. Alam mo kung anong kumbaga, hindi kayong tipong inaya lang. Talagang nagdesisyon ka na, okay, gagawin ko to. Gusto ko to. Ginusto. Hindi kailangan gawin. Iba yung need sa want. Kind of energy. Yun ang naririnig ko dito. So, it's a very high expectation. Okay. So, both of you are very passionate. Both of you are boss energy. We are talking about maturity here. Okay. Ang goal nyo dito is all about chemistry, passion, happiness. But, both of you, hindi ko alam kung dalawa kayong merong ma-abandon ng sitwasyon. Okay. Ay. So, let's see. Experience ang naririnig ko. Experience. Okay. So, let's see. Ten of Swords. Okay. Ten of Swords and the Four of Wands. Wow. Both of you been through a lot. Emperor card, hindi siya magiging emperor. Wala po tayong gender sa energy. Okay. Hindi siya magiging emperor kung walang experience po. So, ang emperor is well experienced. Okay. When it comes to decision making, I think ang emperor is a lot of mistakes. Maraming naging bad decision in life. Okay. So, both of you are yearning for stability. And with the Four of Wands getting in together, hindi ko alam kung love story to or career, pero someone here want to stabilize the situation. Para bagang gumawa ng pundasyon out of what experience. Both sides. Okay. Hindi to one-sided. Okay. Both of you are willing, wanting, hindi need. Kay gusto. Both of you is ginusto. Okay. Both parties as ginusto. Okay. With the Ten of Wands over and over, cycle is already ended. I mean, sa side mo at saka sa side niya. Okay. So, yung timeline ngayon para sa inyong dalawa is really open. Okay. Bukas ang pinto mo, bukas din ang pinto niya when it comes to transformation. Okay. Parehas kayong, as I said kanina with the King and Queen of Wands, parehas kayo ng desire, parehas kayo ng vision, parehas kayong gusto, parehas kayong mentality, meaning sa gustong mangyari. Okay. Kaya ka niyang sabayan, kaya mo rin siyang sabayan. Okay. Kasi both of you is well experienced. Okay. Hindi ko alam, parang feeling ko matured 40s kind of energy. 30s to 40s. King and Queens ang pinag-uusapan dito Emperor. Grabe, painful ending. Grabe ang cycle. Mga paulit-ulit na relationship to another relationship to another relationship. So, kaya mataas ang expectation dito. when it comes to building a new foundation. Okay. Kaya meron ako nakikitang katotohanan kanina bago pa ako magbasa. Kasi lumabas ang una, Justice card. All about truths. All about katotohanan. Okay. So, let's see. Hindi ko alam kung sino tatakas dito. So, clarify the Two of Swords. Sa mga hindi po makaka-resonate, better lang next time po, okay? So, sana po ay naririnig ako. Pasensya na kung medyo mahina or bumubulong ako kasi meron na akong mga alam nyo na, katrabaho na nagpapahinga na rin. So, let's see. King of Pentacles, Knight of Cups, Seven of Pentacles, and the Judgment card upright. Nine of Swords. So, merong nag-overthink dito regarding sa finances. If, with the Knight of Cups, I think, merong mentality ang person na to na kung enough na ba ang resources niya or enough na ba ang resources. Kumbaga, balik tayo dun sa layas thing or sneak out thing. Itong person na to, iniisip niya, tama na ba yung pera ko pang bakit? Tama ba yung pera ko mamaya sa amin dalawa? Kind of energy. So, may nag-overthink dito. Someone is thinking about investing. Or, sapat ba yung pera ko? Or merong naghihintay ng finances dito. Okay. Deserve ko bang maging romantically? Yun ang nakikita ko dito. So, ang Two of Swords is all about finances. Clarify ko. So, decision making regarding sa finances. I think this person, marami siyang multiple source of income. At alam niya yung sarili niya na kaya niyang tawag niyan, dumiskarte ng finances. Pero parang feeling niya hindi pa rin enough eh. Pero with the Judgment card, either way, may pera or sapat ang pera or hindi sapat ang pera, gusto ko to. Gusto kong mangyari to. All of this. So, itong person na to is mag-iipon siya or magsisave or gagawin niya lahat ng diskarte hanggang sa abot ng makakaya niya to offer you a cup. Okay? Or daling ka sa restaurant na mamahalin. I don't know, something in that line. Nagdadalawang isip siya kasi ang iniisip niya or baka ikaw, either way, as I said, both sides, kung enough na ba ang resources. Okay. Para maganap yung dapat na maganap. Someone is overthinking with the Nine of Swords, but with the Seven of Swords, still waiting. Meron nang naipon, meron nang na-invest, pero nag-overthink kung enough ba yung na-invest. Am I good enough to this person? Masusuportahan ko ba ang needs ng person na to? Okay, but we are talking about King and Queens dito, of course. With the Knight of Cups, this person is very romantic. Gusto niya maging romantic sa'yo or ipamper ka or both of you equal give and take. Okay. With the Judgment card, is Judgment ba to? Temperance. Judgment card. Fully decision na talaga ang person na to na gagawin niya both sides, gagawin mo din. I think it will be perfect. Okay. Regardless ng finances nyo. Okay. So, yun na nakikita ko. Wheel of Fortune, time will tell. And there is a breakthrough dito. Once na mag-take place ang sitwasyon na to, I think this is a new person. Di ko pa pala na tatanong kung new person or new career to. Pero, kasi yung excitement ang lakas eh, tsaka expectation ang lakas. Okay, tapos both of you are waiting. Both of you are wounded. Both of you are going to sneak out in order to go after to your happiness. Pasensya na kayo sa aking mga grammar. Pero sana naman ay nag-gets. So, naka-resonate. So, star card. Clarify the star card, please. Breakthrough to. Breakthrough. When it comes to love, career, or finances. Parehas kayo boss energy. Parehas kayo malakas ang chemistry. Parehas kayo very driven. Okay. Okay, so 9 of Pentacles. Both of you are single. Okay, so sa mga hindi pa makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. Or both of you, as I said kanina, meron tayong 10 of Swords. So both of you are hit rock bottom. So with the 9 of Pentacles, focusing your independency here. Independent siya, independent ka rin. So, oh, hell no. With the star card, this is high expectation, healing, rejuvenation. Ang naririnig ko dito, preparing yourself, healing yourself. Okay. Both of you are healing. As I said, hindi to one-sided. This is both sides. Pag both side kasi, ang ganda ng magiging outcome. Okay. 5 of Wands. So, both of you are merong mentality kasi nasa hoping tayo eh. Nasa expectation card tayo, nasa healing card tayo. Sana naman yung nakikita ba? Okay, usap ko ng konti. Or camera na mag-adjust. This is a star card. Okay, both of you are healing, doing your best na maging healthy, diet, lose weight, gain weight, skin routine, hair routine. But at the same time, merong clashing dito, overthinking. 5 of Wands is conflict, debate, rivalry, disagreement, tension. Clarify the 5 of Wands. Baka isip mo lang to or isip nyo lang tong dalawa. Baka both of you both of you are requiring independency kahit nasa relationship na or kahit nasa career na. Meaning, yung sarili mong diskarte dapat hindi matanggal sa'yo yun. Okay. So, isa yun sa mga senaryong nakukuha ko. Pero isa din sa mga senaryong nakukuha ko is rejuvenating, am I good enough? Okay ba ako? O kailangan ko bang magpataba, magpapayat, mag-cut ng hair, lose na, aywan ko, basta something in that line. 4 of Cups. As I said kanina, am I good enough? 4 of Cups, overthinking, clarified by 5 of Wands, clarified by the 4 of Cups and the 8 of Wands. So, meron ditong communication regarding sa about rejection. Merong nagda-doubt dito, as I said, overthinking with the 9 of Swords. May 9 of Swords, diba tayo kanina yan na nag-overthink na, am I good enough? Maganda ba ako? Gwapo ba ako sa paningin niya? Kind of, sa isip lang to eh. Nagka-clash, nag-aaway-aaway. I think meron ding communication na mangyayari dito. In ka pa ba sa akin? In pa ba yung decision or yung plano natin? Are you in or are you out? Someone here is parang feeling niya rejected. Okay. Kasi ang as I said, ang expectation guard tayo eh. So, ang expectation ng person na to or kung sino man tong kinakausap ko, sa isip niya lang to eh, na this person is not good enough or baka ikaw is not good enough, kailangan mong marami kang adjustment na kailangan gawin, lose weight, gain weight, skin routine, parang ganun na sinasabi. Pero I think merong communication regarding dyan. Okay. Okay ka pa ba? Ano yung plano natin, okay pa ba? Ano, in ka ba? G ka ba? Kind of energy. Okay, kasi itong person na to is nag-overthink siya. Maybe you are going to reject this person, or maybe ikaw nag-iisip ka na i-reject ka ng person na to. It's because of the, you know what I mean, doubting. May doubt akong nakikita dito. So, you are expecting the worst dito. Worst case scenario. I said both of you. So, kung sino man yung tinutukoy ko, hindi lang ikaw, pati yung person na to, or yung situation na to. Baka overqualified ka, or less qualified kind of energy. Okay. Someone is feeling rejected sa isip lang. Pero merong communication na magaganap regarding sa mga reject na energy, kasi napapaisip or nag-overthink with the Nine of Swords. So, tell me more, 2 cards more about the Star card. 6 of Wands and the 8 of Swords. So, as I said, merong stuck mentality dito, nagda-doubt. With the Hermit card, I think you are gaining something about the situation here, Virgo, both of you. Parang feeling ko this person feel your soul, Virgo. Okay. Meron siyang mentality, or meron kang mentality na both of you are feeling the same way. Okay. Both of you are feeling the same way, mirroring each other. Okay. When it comes to communication, I think kung cold ka, cold din siya. Or merong time na ganun kind of energy because of the clashing of the mind. Doubt ang nakikita ko dito. Pero stuck. Okay, stuck sa mentality na this situation is going to work out. Rain or shine. Do or die kind of energy. Both of you are going to make it happen. Lakas ng expectation with the Star card. Okay, both of you are soul searching. I think you find the one. Okay. That finally can reciprocate. But ang pinaka-issue dito is parehas kayong nagmi-mirror. Pero merong isa dito na hindi makataste din. Okay. Kung sinong unang magko-communicate. Okay. So, that's what I have for you, Virgo. So, tingnan natin. Sana po ay naka-resonate. Sa mga hindi mo makaka-resonate, better lang next time po. Okay, ano ba to? Judgment card. So, finalization, as I said, yung mga doubt lang na nag-creep in with the 5 of Wands na baka-baka. I think it's not gonna work out yung baka-baka. Tsaka yung ma-abandon na dito. At the same time, at the end of the day, makikita din naman ng mga person, or kung sino man ang person na abandon na dito, na nandun ka pa rin at the end of the day, or nandun pa rin yung person na yun. Yun lang ang nakikita ko. So, tingnan natin kung anong advice, Virgo. Let's see what is the advice. What is the advice for my UVG Collective, please? Sa mga hindi pa makaka-resonate, better lang next time po, okay? So, let's see. A personal issues reaches resolution. What else? Tingnan natin. Ano ba yan? It's time to release negativity. Okay. The answer you need are coming. So, Virgo, kung ano man ang doubt na sinasabi ko kanina, you and your loved ones are safe. So, itong mga maa-abandon na dito, baka mga loved ones to, they are safe. Okay, so personal issues reaches resolution. So, kung ano yung mga doubts or mga issue, mga negativity, kailangan mong i-release yan. Kasi ang sagot, alam mo ng sagot eh. Yung kanina, beginning of the reading, the truth. Okay, merong nakakakita ng katotohanan ng sitwasyon, buong sitwasyon. Okay, kaya both of you, I think, nakikita nyo, na-feel nyo, both of you na-feel nyo both of you is nakikita, na-visualize nyo. Yung vision is very clear. Hindi siya foggy. Yung bigger picture, parehas kayong na-vision nyo. So, it will happen. Okay. So, the answer you need are coming. I think both of you know kung anong magiging outcome. Happiness ang pinaka-highlights dito. Okay. So, searching. Timing talaga. Ngayong time. Itong timeline na to, ang pinto mo tsaka pinto niya is open. Okay. So, it's up to you pa rin, Virgo. Sitwasyon mo yan. So, yun ang nakikita ko dito. So, tingnan natin kung anong angel message number, Virgo. Angel message for my Virgo, please. For my UVG collective. Meron kang 9, 1, meron kang Queen, Ancestor, 913. Google mo siya, 913, maaaring makaresonate sa sitwasyon mo. Meron kang mensahe dyan. So, angel message number 913. So, yeah, this is what I have for you. Merong nag-pass away dito, 50s kind of energy or more than 50s. She's around. It's a female energy, feminine energy. So, 913, this is what I have for you, Virgo. Thank you for being here, Virgo. Thank you for watching. Sa mga hindi mo maka-resonate, better lang next time po. Sa mga maka-resonate, thank you po in advance. So, that's what I have for you, Virgo. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. And bye for now.